Look at the scenery. It's nothing compared to what you will see in the next 3 minutes. I'm on a train heading from Denver to Utah, and just had to take a minute to share with you how dramatically this scenery changes from pine tree and slate-covered hills to orange and crimson mountain ranges. But this is not the highlight. This is part 2 of my video covering my journey on the Rocky Mountaineer. Part 1 covered the onboard experience of the train. We're headed to Arches National Park in the small town of Moab in the American state of Utah. We've left towering pines and granite cliffs to disembark the train and take a short car ride to Arches National Park. You'll see why they call it Arches. This is Utah's Red Rock region, and it's one of America's most spectacular destinations. These aren't mountains. They're 300-million-year-old sandstone sculptures carved by wind, water, and time. But first, feast your eyes on this panoramic theater of orange and gold that stretches endlessly toward the sky. Now check this out. Salmon-colored rock, towering spires, and maze-like canyons create one of the most photographed landscapes in the American Southwest. This is called a slot canyon. Can you see why? Hey, I'm just a baby channel right now. Thanks for checking me out. You can help me grow up by subscribing if you're interested in more travel ideas. Thanks! We had a blast roaming through these natural alleyways. Can you tell? As you can see, I was hardly dressed for mountain climbing, but I had to clown around a little bit. The plant life in Arches is as remarkable as the geology, perfectly adapted to this high desert environment that receives only about 9 inches of rainfall annually. This is a region where nature has spent millions of years sculpting sandstone into forms so dramatic and surreal that they seem borrowed from another planet entirely. Sometimes I felt like I was walking on the back of a sleeping stone giant. The silence here is profound. Imagine being here at night, and some people do it. Not me. Nope. This is a landscape that humbles and inspires at the same time. In this place, you're not just observing scenery. You're standing within one of Earth's greatest masterpieces. There is literally no other place like this on the planet. Notice how the scale here easily dwarfs human visitors. Just incredible. I mean, look at the size of that hole. The stone formations become mysterious silhouettes as the sun sets and the moon rises. These formations were created during the Jurassic period when this region laid beneath ancient seas. Time, water, ice, and wind have worked in concert to carve these magnificent structures. The color palette here shifts dramatically throughout the day, but it's always breathtaking. As the sun changes position, these colors intensify to brilliant oranges and deep reds, which is beautiful against a never-ending blue sky. Okay, so this was just a teaser. This park is thousands and thousands of acres large and it contains 2,000 arches. Clearly, I can't cover that in 4 minutes here, but did I give you enough to inspire you? If you want to know more about the luxury train ride that transported us through this region, please look for part 1 on the V Vicariously channel, where I show you the onboard experience on the Rocky Mountaineer train that brought us here. If you want to know more about it, ask me in the comments and I'll send you something.